Okay, we're back with another video tutorials of a new plugin in here. Well, not new, but new in our server. So this is a MyPet plugin that you can have a pet, customized pet, for your own. So here in NerikoMC, to get here, you just need to type slash warp shop, and then you'll see here on the right side Master Tamer, Lucky or whatever. And then you're just gonna have to right click it or tap and hold for Bedrock. And then you're gonna have a list of pets available that you can buy. Warden will be around 20 million, of course. And let's say we're gonna pick one in here. I would say let's just pick a skeleton. And then, yes, and it will spawn right on your face. To see the details regarding information of this skeleton, you just have to right click it or tap and hold for Bedrock, and you'll see the details about your pet. So in here, the default HP for level 1 is 300, and you can see hunger, or if, because yeah, well, you have to feed them. Food is what food they eat. Behavior is normal. Gonna explain that one later on. Skill tree is ride, meaning that skill tree is set to rideable. So once they get level 20, well, it still depends on other servers, but here, once you get level 20, you'll be able to ride your pet. And you'll see the level and the experience you need to have before, your pet needs to have before you get leveled up. All right. Now, first, let's get to behavior. So, behavior, you can change your pet behavior just by typing pet behavior, and you'll see different types of behavior in here. So, aggressive meaning is that he will attack everything uh, near near him. Okay. You're gonna and then for dual, well, it's very explanatory. Just have to choose it. Farm, friendly, normal, rage. You're gonna figure it out. No, you're smart. Okay, so to get that one, some of those behavior won't work actually. So let's say if we're gonna pick aggressive, it will say you are not allowed to use this. Why? Because the skill tree for this skeleton is not yet set. As of the moment, it is set to ride. See? Now to change it, just simply type PCST or pet CST, meaning skill tree. And you will see here a couple of skill tree that you can choose. So it's either utility, combat, defender, farm, fighter, ride. So it depends on how you want your pet to accompany you. So if you want to ride your pet, then you can simply select the ride, and if you want it to be a fighter, and blah blah blah, and so on. Okay. Now, let's say we're gonna pick here combat. So you will see here that there will be changes on its damages and so on. Because well, the more it get level up, it will increase the damage, it will increase its health, it will gain more skills, it will have some different types of perks. Now on the yeah, that's pretty much for the skill tree. Now, if you want your pet to, let's say you don't want him to just roaming around with you, following you, or it's getting in front of your vision so that you can't mine whatever your mining is, you can just simply type PSA, meaning pet sent away. So it's gone. To have it back, you just have to type PC or pet call, and then he's there. All right. You can name your pet actually. You can just simply type slash pet name, and then it'll be here. Let's say yes, Kelly, and that's her name. He became her. All right. Now, if you want your pet if you want to give your pet to other players, just let's say sell it. You can type pet trade, and then the name of the player, and then the amount if you want to put an amount, and if you don't want to put any amount, just simply just click that, type that one. And then once you have done that, you can also sell if you want to have another pet, or let's say you want to buy a new pet. You don't like just having one pet in here. Make sure you type pet store first. Once you type pet store, then you can buy another one. All right. So just simply do the same thing that we did earlier. And then just simply ps tab w. So that's pet switch slash psw. And you're gonna pick your pet. So as you can see here, I have a bunch of pets available, and you can see the details level, their HP, their hunger, and so on. We're gonna use a sample for Snorlax, which is a Warden. Damn, that's good. All right, once we right-click it, so you can see the damage increases actually. It's 75 for the DPS, and he is very hungry for sure. And the level is 231. So as I said earlier, the damages, I mean the it will increase its damage depending on the levels and depending as well on what type of skill tree did you choose for your pet. And let's say if in any case you don't want your pet anymore, like completely remove it onto your inventory or in your pet inventory. But I don't advise it, but just if in any case you need to, it will be removed permanently. But once you do that, it will become a normal map. And I don't want to do that one right now because it's gonna destroy everything in here. Just don't mind that thing because that what we use for the event. So anyway, the pet also has an inventory utility. You can just simply type pet inventory and you will see uh, 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 inventories for your pet. So as you can see, even though Snorlax is low level, I mean high level, he doesn't have that much of inventory because, well, the skill tree is not utility. As you can see in a PH slash PCST, um, it's currently on combat. So you can choose like the utility here. It has organized item, inventory, beacon, so it has different kind of perks. So as I said, you're gonna pick the skill tree you wanted depending on your playstyle. All right. Now, you can also capture pet on this one, but it's kind of bit of hard and tricky though. But we're gonna test it out. So what you need is lead or a leash, and then you're just gonna. Wow, it died so fast. Make sure it's low health, and then you're gonna have to type it so that you'll be able to get there. However, it won't work because I have Snorlax. So make sure you do pet store first before doing that, but it will work, I assure you. Now, on the behavior, oh, you can also do pet stop. If in any case a player or some friend I mean your pet is hitting your friend, you can just simply say pet stop and it will stop attacking. Then you can just simply type behavior again to navigate to other behaviors. As you can see, most of the behaviors is working on this one because Snorlax is higher level. Now, you can also uh, check the pet skill. As you can see here, these are the details or the perks that your pet are getting because of his level. As you can see, the thorns is 18% and a 15 damage. It will give 15 damage back to the attacker. So yeah, it has a lot of details in here. Well, you can check on it. And I think that's pretty much it. Oh, by the way, if in any case you're gonna use the PCST tag or like the ride thing, make sure once it goes level 20, you need to hold on to a lead and then just right click on him and you'll be able to ride him. So I don't want to change my skill tree because if in any case I change my skill tree, the level of my pet will go down, and I don't want that to happen. So that is pretty much here. That's pretty much it for this how to get your own pet in NerikoMC, and I hope you join if in any case you're not here yet in the server. So thank you for watching.